Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I just replaced the a wire here on my robot. It was the wire coming from the motor sensor there and plugs in right here. The white wire had come out on the motor sensor on the inside. Anyways, I plugged that in. I got a C03 error. Now you can actually run it without the body on. You just need to put the... So I'll just put auto. Ooh. Okay, C08 was that this wasn't connected. So this will probably fall off.
Is now starting. Please empty the dustbin when completed.
And there you go. She works.